Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel ATS Tech Info. In this video, I will tell you about financial accounting. If you are new to my channel ATS Tech Info, then please subscribe my channel ATS Tech Info and also like and share the video. Let's start our video. For doing financial accounting, you have to open MS Excel. Then you have to mention the columns as year, then income, then expenditure, then you want to expand this, then you have to drag it, then balance, then remark. After that, you have to input the data one by one. You have to input the data. First year data, then year data complete. You know that autofill is a trick by which you can automatically fill the data. That is, I will erase it, then I will select it and click on delete. Then select 2015 and 2016, then drag it from the corner. You have to drag it. Then income in 2015, suppose my income is 56,000, then 89,000, then 1,50,000, then 2,50,000, then 3,20,000, then 6,50,000, suppose 98 lakhs. Then suppose 99 lakhs. Then expenditure, suppose this is my expenditure. Then what will the balance? What is the method by which we can find out the balance? Balance means income minus expenditure equal to, then click on income cell minus click on expenditure cell data, enter. Okay, then drag it, then you have to drag it, or you have to double click on it, then all the data will be automatically inputted, all the result will be shown. Then for remark, write down the formula equal to if bracket start balance cell greater than 0, then profit comma loss. Here it is positive, that's why profit. Then double click it, then to loss and other are in profit. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel ATS Tech Info, then please subscribe my channel ATS Tech Info and also like and share the video. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching the video completely. Please subscribe our channel ATS Tech Info and also like and share the video to your friends and relatives. Thank you.